Welcome to my Premier Communications Internet Provider Review Usage Experience. Links to their services and plans are provided in the description below. Premier Communications is a regional internet provider focused on delivering fast, reliable connectivity primarily to communities in Northwest Iowa. With an emphasis on customer satisfaction and community engagement, Premier Communications offers internet, phone, and TV services designed to meet the needs of both residential and business users. Their network is built to provide seamless performance for modern internet demands, making it a standout option in their service area. Premier Communications offers a range of internet plans with speeds that start from 100 Mbps and go up to gigabit-level connections. These speeds are ideal for activities like streaming, gaming, remote work, and online learning, with enough bandwidth to support multiple users simultaneously. A key feature is their symmetrical upload and download speeds, which ensure smooth video calls, fast uploads, and efficient cloud-based tasks. Additionally, their plans include unlimited data, so users don't have to worry about hitting data caps or experiencing throttling. For those looking to bundle services, Premier Communications also offers TV and phone packages. Their TV services provide a variety of channel options, on-demand programming, and DVR features, while the phone plans include reliable local and long-distance calling. This makes it a convenient choice for families or businesses looking to consolidate their telecom services. The company is known for its excellent customer support, with local representatives who are accessible and responsive. One downside is that Premier Communications services are limited to specific regions in Northwest Iowa, which may not be convenient for those outside their coverage area. However, for residents within their network, the combination of competitive pricing, high-speed internet, and reliable customer service makes them a strong choice. In summary, Premier Communications is a solid internet provider for users seeking fast, reliable fiber optic connectivity with excellent local support. Their bundled options and customer-first approach add significant value. To check if Premier Communications is available in your area and find the right plan for your needs, be sure to explore the links in the description below.